tasting the Hodgepodge Pale Ale. For those who didn't see the original brew day video or just tuning in, I decided to make a beer just from memory. I didn't measure any ingredients out. I just went with what I thought I was the right thing to do. This is the result. It was a 1 gallon batch. I ended up at 1053 OG. Boiled for about 45 minutes. I got 77 IBUs. And the hops were Brew 1 and Huel Melon. Dry hopped at the same 2 hops. And I did a hop shot in this. And the hop shot, I accidentally put too much in. I was supposed to do 1 milliliter. I did 2 by accident or close to it. That was the only mistake I really made. I hit pretty much all the numbers I was going for, which is crazy. And it was just 2-row, so it wasn't like too complicated. It was a fun experiment to see what I could come up with. I'll link that original brew day in the description below so you guys can see it if you haven't. Check that out first, and then come back here. So, I did keg this. It did not oxidize, which is good. Didn't turn brown. Which, for those who've been following my channel, that happens to me sometimes. So the nose on it's a little bit, kind of lacking in the aromatics, actually, which is odd. So I did a fair amount of dry hopping on this, but I will say I've been getting better aroma dry hopping a little warm and during fermentation. This is dry hop directly in the keg. This is how I used to do it, and dry hop cold. So I don't think I extracted that much out of it. It's, you know, kind of a cool little experiment incidentally, or by accident, I should say. You know, dry hopping cold in a keg while carbonating versus dry hopping during fermentation or a little warmer. I've heard that dry hopping a little warmer, you actually extract a little bit more, like closer to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. But yeah, it's interesting because it just has like a grain smell. It almost has like an older IPA smell, not like oxidized, but like more of a 90s IPA. It's not bad. It's not oxidized. It's just kind of nothing really there. Yeah, it tastes nice actually. When I first kegged this, I did take a little splash of it within a couple days of being kegged, and I was like, oh my god, it's so bitter. So I purposely let this sit for like another week and a half, and it's definitely more well-rounded, definitely rounded out. Still probably an IPA. I'd say it's closer to like 70 IBUs. I guess 77, but you know, who knows how high it really was. I wish the aroma was there because the taste is nice. Piney, kind of that sticky resinous thing going on. The hop shot I have is Cascade. There's maybe a little grapefruit in there. I get that. But like the more grapefruit than I would say orange or like lemon or anything like that. Not getting much fruit. No, nice hoppy pale ale. On the well, I'd say probably one of the bitter sides, so probably an IPA. Nothing wrong with it. I mean, the fact that I just completely wung it and didn't really take any pre-measurements or pre-calculations turned out pretty solid. Really fun to do actually. And if I were to do it again, maybe up the grain complexity a little bit, but that definitely would be a lot more nerve-wracking because knowing exactly how much of grains to put into what to get like a dunkel or like, you know, like a stout or something could be a little bit risky. You get maybe too much ashy beer or just too sweet or something. So I think Brew 1 and Huel Melon are a pretty cool combo. I've had good results with Huel Melon and Brew 1 before. I haven't used them just together by themselves, but it's a great combo if you want just a simple, straight up great little IPA or session ale or even just a regular IPA. Yeah, it's really nice. Only changes I would make is that dry hop warm or dry hop during fermentation, because you know, it's interesting. This did turn out hazy, which is fascinating. Cause I think I used USO5. Yeah, I did. So I don't know why this one turned out hazy. It's been in the keg for a little bit now. So weird. I mean, I guarantee you within another week or so it'll probably be all pretty cleared out. I never used gelatin, so that's also a factor for sure. Great result, and stay tuned for more. See you guys next time.